Welcome back to today's training. My name is Frazier Hunter Jr. I got an exciting training I want to show you all today. I'm just blown away with what AI can do. And I just want to show you guys just a little bit of the possibilities. Many of you that may have used Canva, but I bet you didn't know that Canva can also write software using AI. That's right, Canva can write software using AI. And I'm going to show you today how using Canva and ChatGPT, you can create your own software. So I'm going to jump right into this. And guys, if you're not using AI, you're not learning, you're going to be left behind. I mean, the fastest AI is moving. I mean, you need to at least learn ChatGPT and continue to watch my channel because I'm going to be coming out with the latest AI tools and ways you can use it to build your business and to cut costs. So I'm going to jump right in it today. The training today is on creating software with Canva and ChatGPT. So first thing you want to do is come over to ChatGPT and you want to write your code. Now your code, you basically put in the details of what you want the software to do. Put as much information as you can. Today I'm going to create a marketing prompt generator. This is going to help you because a lot of times the most problems people have with ChatGPT, they don't know what to ask ChatGPT to create the output that they're looking for. So this is going to help, especially if you're marketing. This is going to help you market, come up with ideas and posts for your social media marketing, writing emails. It's going to do a number of things. So this is just one idea. You can create software to do a lot of things, and I'm going to show you that. So first thing is come over here in ChatGPT and write in what you want it to do. Like I say, I'm creating a prompt generator, and I want it to ask questions to create a prompt generator for marketing. So I'm going to put that in, put my code in. Let me refresh the page here. So I put in my prompt that I want to ask it to create. I'm telling it to, basically I wanted to create a marketing prompt generator for using Canva. And it's going to write the code that I put in Canva to create the tool. So let's see what it says. Want to build a marketing prompt. Okay, output. Let me know if you want AI general suggestions for each role or a template library. Let me know if you wanted to add AI generated suggestions. Yes, add suggestions. So it's giving me the outline that I'm going to put in Canva. All right, so now I'm going to come over here to I'm going to come over here. I'm going to copy everything into Canva. Copy Canva. So if I'm going in Canva now, you can go over to Canva AI. And then what I want to do is it gives you different ideas here that you can do. A flashcard game, celebrate world design. Just give you different ideas you can do, softwares or things you can do. But I'm going to just type in that in here. Oops. Just a copy and paste. Enter. And now, voila, it's creating the code for the software. It's actually building your software. Isn't that amazing, guys? I mean, AI is just taking over. You need to get involved. You can start with my get your free guide in the bio. It's going to introduce you to digital marketing, and also I will be follow my YouTube channel where you can get more information on different AI tools. It's just amazing, guys, what you can do with AI. Look at that. It's writing. And if you're a coder or software developer, I'm sorry to say, but you're in trouble. AI can just write. Look at this. It would take, I was taking a class and they were saying something to build like this. It will cost $30,000 for a coder or developer to build this software. And we're building it just like that using Canva. Canva AI and ChatGPT. Look at that. It's written already 200 and almost 300 lines and still going. So, oops, let me turn that off. Learn as much as you can, guys, about AI. I'm dedicating my channel, my YouTube channel, strictly to AI and digital marketing. One, AI is not going anywhere. A lot of jobs are going away. And if you don't learn this skill, guys, you're going to be left behind. So I'm learning as much as I can about AI. I'll be making videos on the different tools you can use for your business to cut costs and to grow your business. Look at that, still going 400 and almost 500 lines. We're creating software using Canva AI and ChatGPT. I bet you didn't know Canva could do all this, did you? For $15 a month. That software, ChatGPT, is free for most things. And guys, look at that. I'm going to hit use this design. Wow. Website. Now, if you want to, you can put this design in a presentation, a document, whiteboard, or a website. I'm going to publish it to my training website. So I'm going to just hit publish. And then I'm going to name it, because I'm going to name it prompt generator best. I'm going to name it best prompt generator. All right. Best prompt generator. Done. And voila, it's published to my website. And then I'm going to pull it up. Wow, bam, now it's live. Let me open that up. And there you have it, guys. A marketing prompt generator toolbox. And let me show you how this works. So I want to create a funnel builder, ad specialist, content, proposal, marketing strategy. I want to do social media content creator. And then what I want to do, I want to do a TikTok, Instagram. Let's do next business details. And then you'll put in business name. Fred, target audience, small business. Darn it, can't write business. Trying to rush here. What is the product? AI course. What is your main goal? Generate increased sales, preferred tone, casual, keywords, AI tools, and generate prompt. Bam. Then we can look at some of the other things that you can do here. Email copy. Help you write a email. Look at that. All you do is follow the guide and it'll just write the prompt for you. Marketing strategist. Build a 30-day content plan. Create a campaign strategy. Let's see what this gives you. Just enter your information, guys. Look at that, guys. I built a marketing prompt generator toolbox in less than, 5-10 minutes. Funnel builder, lead magnet script, landing page copy, ad specialist, Google search ads, Facebook ads. I mean, it helps you write your ads too. Paid ads. Look at that. Content you can repurpose. Turn your YouTube video into a blog post. Transfer video content into written format. Turn Instagram post into an email. Look at that, guys. All of this, I created this software with less than 5-10 minutes using Canva. And they created the code and everything. Wow. So that's your prompt for ChatGPT. And copy. Hitting the wrong button, that's why. Command V, bam. And there you have it. It'll create your prompts for you, your ads for you, just like that. Look at that. So that's going to conclude. So that's just one, guys. Social media. And I would also play around with this because it should have gave me more options in here. I got an example of another one. Generator, I did. And as you can see right here, this one gives you more options. So all this was created with Canva AI. You can mess around with your prompt and you can create whatever software you want. So I'll see you on the next video. Learn as much AI as you can, guys. This is amazing time that we're in, and I'm excited, and I'm here on the journey with you.